Hello everyone. I, Dr. Swapna Assistant Professor in Sarhat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. In this session, we are going to discuss about the important questions in previous question papers. So, we are going to solve the April 2022 question paper. This is a supply chain management 2019 pattern. This is a 70 marks paper and 20 marks are for your objective type questions. So the first question is a multiple choice question and the question is the purpose of supply chain management is to options are given here increase the production level, manage and integrate supply and demand management, enhance the quality of a product and they provide satisfaction to the customer. The main objective or the main purpose is the option B, that is manage and integrate supply and demand management. The second is supply chain management is the management of options are given here storage of raw materials, flow of goods and services, fulfillment of orders, satisfaction of customers. The correct option is flow of goods and services. Next question is the dash encompasses all activities associated with the flow of transformation of goods from the raw material stage through the end users as well as the associated information flows. Options are given here. The four options are here, but the correct option is a supply chain because the supply chain is a flow of goods, services, and information. The next is which of the following are not key attributes of supply chain management? The options are inventory control, leveraging technology, and the customer power. And the correct answer is all of the above. The next is the bullwhip effect. Options are given here and the correct option is refers to variability in demand orders among supply chain participants because from the retailer to the supplier or the wholesaler or to the producer, everyone is ordering more quantity than the demands. So it shows the variability in demand orders among the supply chain participants. The next is match the following. Outbound logistic. The correct option is C, that is finished goods, because the finished goods goes out from the industry for the further delivery. The second is the installation and the correct option is a service. Installation is a service. Next is a human resource and the correct option is a training. Human resource requires a training. Next is a planning and the correct option of this is initial stage of supply chain. Every management starts from the planning. So the supply chain management starts from planning. The purpose of SCM and the correct answer is correct option is manage and integrate supply chain supply and demand management. The next question is answer in one sentence. Each question carry 1 marks. The first is what is warehousing? Warehousing is a link between the supplier and the consumer. It gives time and place for raw materials, industrial goods, and finished products. The second question is define logistics planning, and the answer is logistic planning is the process of drafting and systematic flow which answers questions like what, when, and how the products will flow until it is delivered to the end users. The next is a define inventory, and the answer is inventory is a total amount of goods or materials stored in factory at any given time, that is the inventory. The next is define supply chain management. Supply chain management is the integration of key business processes from the end users through the original suppliers that provide products, services, and information that add value for the customer. That is a supply chain management. Supply chain management help to flow the goods, information, and services from the original suppliers to ultimate consumer. The next is define supply chain network design. And the answer is supply chain network designs provides an operating framework of the entire business to guide the managers in a strategic decision making. So in short, we can say this is a framework of a supply chain network. The next is fill in the blanks. It is for a 5 marks. The question is a dash, production control, and a physical distribution are the three major operations of logistics. The correct option is a procurement. The second is a dash refers to supply chain management practices that strive to reduce energy and environmental footprint in terms of a freight distribution. The correct option is a green logistic. The next is a break bulk warehouse performs the dash function. The answer is a distribution. The next is the concept of SCM originated in a dash discipline. The answer is a logistic. And the last is a positive long-term relationships between supply chain participants refers to the answer is a supply chain collaboration. The question number 2, the long type questions. So any three you have to solve. The questions are the explain the objectives and importance of supply chain management, explain the functions of warehousing, explain the issues in workforce management, state the importance of logistic management, explain the objectives of green supply chain, management. The next question is write short note, solve any 4 out of 6. This is for a 20 marks. The first is a role of IT in supply chain management. The second is a global supply chain management. Next is a factors influencing a channel design, bullwhip effect, types of inventory, and a types of warehouse. So thank you very much students for a patient listening.